In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a line chart in Looker Studio, ensuring your data is both visually appealing and easy to interpret. Let's dive right in, so you can create an informative and engaging chart for your reports. First, make sure you've opened your report in Looker Studio and that you're in edit mode. This allows you to make changes and updates to your report as needed. Before you proceed with adding a line chart, it's crucial to confirm that you've connected your data source. This connection ensures that you have access to the required dimensions and metrics you'll need to display your data accurately. With everything connected, we move on to adding the line chart itself. Locate the toolbar at the top of the interface and select the option to add a chart. Depending on the user interface you're working with, you'll either choose Line Chart or Time Series Line. Then, click on your canvas where you'd like the line chart to appear. Having placed your chart, you'll need to configure it from the Setup panel on the right-hand side. Start by selecting the correct data source to ensure your chart displays the intended data. Following this, choose a suitable dimension for your x-axis. Typically, this will be a date or time series, as it helps in showing trends over a period. Next, pick one or more metrics for the y-axis. These could be sales, sessions, or any other numeric data that demonstrates your report's focal points. If there's a need to break down the line by different categories, you have the option to add a breakdown dimension. Additionally, you can set a default date range or allow the date control to manage this aspect. After you're set up, it's time to switch over to the Style panel to add some flair to your chart's appearance. Here, you can choose to enable or disable the chart title, and you have the freedom to customize the font, color, and other stylistic elements to match your overall report design. When it comes to the lines themselves, decide if you want a smooth or straight style, and also select distinct colors for each series in your chart. You're also able to adjust the axes configurations. This includes labeling your x-axis, managing grid lines, and determining the y-axis scale. If your chart includes two metrics, consider adding a right axis for clarity. To further enhance your chart's insightfulness, you might decide to incorporate trend lines or reference lines, which help in highlighting average values or specific targets. Once you're happy with both the styling and content of your line chart, switch to View mode. This allows you to see how it will appear to your report viewers and make any necessary adjustments. Ensure that the placement and size of the chart are appropriate on your dashboard, aiming for readability and an optimal fit. And there you have it, a fully customized line chart in Looker Studio that not only conveys your data effectively, but also complements your report's design. Give these steps a try and enhance your reporting capabilities with aesthetically pleasing and informative charts.